Now we've added the red peppers twice, once because we want to have a nice soft bunch, but we also want to have a little bit of crunch, and that's why we're adding the other half of our red pepper at a very late stage. So once this is all diced up, we'll add it into our small bowl along with our oregano and our garlic. All right, we're going to take our red beans or kidney beans, which either you have, and these should be in brine. So I want to give these a drain. I don't want to rinse them. I want to keep the flavor of that brine on here. We'll bring these back. Measure out a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. We'll add that to our veggies and we'll stir. Then we're going to come back to our rice. We're going to add our beans and then our seasoned veggies. We'll give this a stir. It should be very fragrant and also very colorful. And then we'll try and smooth it out so it can. The rice is done cooking, but we want the beans to heat up, so we're going to let that sit for about another 30 seconds while we wait for the beans to heat up, and then we'll continue to stir our ragu to make sure that our chicken is done.